Okay, you need to go to your website address, which is fatgirlstyling.com/wp-admin. That is where you log in to your dashboard, and then you enter your username and password, and then click the blue login button. This is now your WordPress dashboard. You need to navigate to post on the left sidebar. Hover your mouse over post. Now click on add new on the submenu that appeared. Where it says enter your title here, that is where you enter the title of your blog post or article. After you finish entering your title, click on the white field post below the word paragraph. This is where you will write the content of your blog post. You can now start by writing your introduction if you have any. Time now to add your first heading after you finished your introduction. If you want to add a heading, which will be an H2, that is a heading 2. Remember now the heading 2 is the second highest heading after the first heading, which is H1. H1 is your title. That is your first heading, your title. So you should never use heading 1 on this blog post field. Headings are good to break up your content and also to provide important information. As you can see, headings are bigger than the rest of the content. You can also add a subheading, which is H3. As you can see, H3 is smaller than H2. H3 is considered a subheading of H2, and it is also considered less important by search engines. Just like when you write in Word, in Microsoft Word, you can also make a list in bullet form. This is how you make a list in bullet form. See, just click enter twice, then you start writing. You can also make a list in numbered form. There we go. After this, it is time now to add images and videos to make our article more visually appealing. To add an image, you have to click the Add Media button just below the title field. There it is. Then now click on the Upload Files button, and then click the Select Files at the center of the screen. Now you can search for the image you want on your computer. Okay, let's choose this one for this tutorial. You can now edit the title of your image if you want, and also put the alt text of your image. It's very important to let search engines know what your image is all about. Search engines like, for example, Google. Now click on the blue button, insert into post, and your image is inserted on your post. There it is. Let's preview it, see if it's there. Preview helps you see how your blog post will look. When it's published. As you can see, we have our H2 heading. We also have our H3 and our image. There's our image there. But what if you want to put your image in between the text, in between your blog post content? Let's do that. We go to add media again. We're going to put the image right there. Go to add media. Now we don't need to go to upload because we already have our image. There it is. Insert into post. Okay, we align it first. Align it right. Then insert into post. There we go. Let's preview it and see how it looks. There it is. Looks much better. Time now to add a video in our article. Let's go to youtube.com and grab one. Remember that this is your toolbox. You have to play around with all these options and see how they'll make your life easier as you write your article. Let's grab this video by Taylor Swift. You only need the URL of the video here. The URL, there it is. You just copy it. We're going to paste it on our blog post field where we write our article. But before we do that, let me show you how to delete an image. You just click on the image. As you can see, there's an X button there. You click there, voila, image is gone. Now we paste the video URL using Ctrl V. Then WordPress will do the rest. As you can see, the video is there. Video has been rendered. Let's preview and see how it looks, and see how our article looks with the video. There it is. Display it. Check if it's playing. Yeah, it's playing. Time now to set a featured image for our article. Scroll down, click on set featured image. You choose the image you like, and then you click on set featured image. There it is. Time now to choose categories for our blog post. Choose dresses and pants for this tutorial. That's it. You can also save your post as a draft. There it is. So that you can come back and edit it later. Saving the draft, you don't publish it. You're just saving it so that you can come back and edit it later. No one else will see it but yourself when the post is a draft. Let's preview and see how our posts look. Okay, everything is still good. As you can see, it doesn't appear on latest post because it's still a draft. Now let's go back to all posts, to all our posts. Here's all the posts we have here on our blog. Here's the draft. Now let's go back to it. As you can see, it's still intact, everything is still there. You can also we can also schedule a post so that it is published on a future date. WordPress will publish it automatically. You just set any date you want, then click OK. Now click on the blue schedule button. The blog post is now scheduled to be published on a future date. But that's not what we want here. So we're going to remove that and put today's date. We want to publish it now. So to publish the post on the blog for everyone to see, you just click the blue publish button. Let us now view how our finished post look. There we go. It also appears on the latest post. This is our post look. If you want to edit it, you just click the edit button on top. Once you finish editing whatever you want to edit, you just go to your left sidebar and click and make sure to click the update button. There it is, update button.